The Solar Accord, Rise of the United Humanity, the Age of Unity. By the mid-22nd century, the nations of Earth had finally unified under the banner of the One, United Nations Solar Directorate, UNSD, a coalition built not upon borders, but upon purpose. Centuries of conflict, climate collapse, and resource depletion had driven humanity to look upward. The stars, once distant, had become the new frontier of survival and prosperity. The UNSD Charter of 2137 declared the solar system a shared domain of humanity, to be mined, cultivated, and protected under a single, benevolent global law. The moon became the center of this revolution, both politically and economically, the gateway to the greater planetary bodies. The moon, the beating heart of the solar economy. As Earth's nearest neighbor, Luna transformed from a barren outpost into a glittering hub of orbital commerce and interplanetary governance. Its cities, Tycho Prime, Aristarchus Haven, and Mare Capitalis, were built from lunar regolith itself, shimmering under domes of transparent graphene. Luna's economy revolved around its celestial assets. Helium-3, harvested by automated skimmers and microwave extractors from the regolith. Refined in orbiting processing rings, it powered the fusion reactors that lit up colonies from Mars to Neptune. Metals and silicon, extracted through laser and solar smelting, supplying high-grade alloys for spacecraft hulls, orbital habitats, and quantum AI cores. Water ice and oxygen, drawn from polar craters by cryodrills, electrolyzed into life support supplies and rocket propellant, fueling humanity's expansion outward. From its shimmering orbital ring, Luna controlled the flow of these resources, the solar system's economic bloodstream. The moon did not merely serve humanity, it commanded it. Mars and its moons, the red frontier. The terraforming of Mars had begun in earnest. Red dust storms now swirled over sprawling mining complexes, where robotic and human-assisted excavators unearthed vast metallic ores for construction. These metals built the domes, habitats, and orbital elevators that housed millions of settlers. Phobos, rich with veins of iron and nickel, became the fastest-growing mining colony in the system. Its low gravity made extraction swift and refining unnecessary. Deimos, slightly farther out, evolved into a logistical hub. Its mining stations doubled as refueling ports and transport nodes, sending processed metals and fuel toward Mars and beyond. The Mars-Phobos-Deimos triad formed a self-sustaining industrial ecosystem, a symbol of humankind's permanence on the red world. The outer giants, Neptune and Uranus. Far from the warmth of the sun, humanity extended its reach to the distant gas giants. Neptune, once unreachable, became the next frontier in fusion energy. Orbital stations, still under construction, harvested vast quantities of helium-3 from its atmosphere. On Triton, explorers discovered a subsurface ocean beneath the icy crust. Research stations were established to study its microbial life and extract volatile compounds for future bioengineering. Triton thrived as a symbol of life beyond Earth and of humanity's ingenuity in adapting to it. Around Neptune's orbit floated the Lagrange asteroids, rich in metals and volatiles. Their exploitation provided construction material for orbital habitats and further boosted the interplanetary economy. Meanwhile, Uranus mirrored Neptune's ambition. Fleets of robotic aerostats drifted within its upper atmosphere, siphoning helium-3. On Ariel, a human base coordinated these drone operations. Umbriel, though dim under the distant sun, hosted a vast solar array that powered the aerostats below, its delicate mirrors spanning kilometers across the void. Oberon, in turn, orbited quietly as a research and development station, where experimental propulsion systems and cryogenic technologies were being perfected for deep space exploration. Saturn and Titan, the burned sky. Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon, became a prize. Its dense atmosphere and hydrocarbon seas held untapped potential for synthetic fuel, securing Titan as a critical node in the fusion fuel supply chain, ensuring that Saturn's domain remained under Earth's stewardship. Mercury's orbit, Vesta 3. Closer to the Sun, the UNSF's Vesta 3 colony mined asteroid-borne minerals and solar metals. Such rare Earth elements make technological achievements a daily accomplishment. Europa, the mind of the system. Orbiting Jupiter, Europa became the intellectual capital of the solar system. Beneath its icy crust, research stations developed quantum technologies, advanced AI, and weapon systems, forged from exotic elements mined from the moon itself. Here, humanity pushed the limits of science, blending biology, machine, and energy into one continuum.